Today's globalized world is getting more challenging and competitive. It is forcing the industrial sector to be tougher and aware about leveraging their value by not just savings through better asset management and maintenance strategies to become a powerful business, but see that overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, reliability and availability improvement, cost-effective maintenance are becoming a must-have versus an option. Additionally, we need to deal with climate change, the issue of carbon emissions, and the implementation of carbon taxes. This is increasingly encouraging companies to review their operating processes to become more efficient, cleaner, and sustainable. The Industrial Revolution's environmental impact is known to be a bad one, with the increase of production in wasteful and greenhouse gas-emitting industries. With climate change mitigation emerging as a top priority, the next industrial revolution could very well be one where men, machines, innovation, productivity, and profitability are driven by the common purpose of increasing sustainability. A revolution that leads people to consider the environment and focus on doing more with less. Then fully integrated industrial asset management becomes the best solution to this matter. The Sustainable Development Goals are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. They address the global challenges we face, such as poverty, inequality, climate change, environmental degradation, peace, and justice. Every company is encouraged to contribute to the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Therefore, good asset management is needed, as it is inherently contributing to 7 of the SDG. Specifically, asset management improves an organization's sustainability by effectively managing expenditures and activities to achieve both short and long-term intended impacts, including the sustainability of operations and performance. Asset management processes clearly demonstrate social responsibility and ethical business practice by improving the ability to reduce emissions, conserve resources, and adapt to climate change. Asset management also improves efficiency and effectiveness by reviewing and improving processes, procedures, and asset performances. On January 15, 2014, the Technical Committee TC 251 from ISO concluded its work and finally published the set of ISO 55000 regulations for assets management. It is a set of international consensus standards that provide requirements and specifications for an integrated, effective system for managing assets. The development of ISO 55001-2014 follows this structure. Context of the organization: leadership, planning, support, operations, performance evaluation, and continuous improvement. Organizations are required to deliver clean, safe, affordable power, increase value while reducing risk and minimizing costs, and creating profit. Managing risk and performance while working to optimize asset life cycles is almost impossible in today's world without a modern asset management system. It is a fundamental requirement of ISO 55000 that the overall program is driven by an asset management system. Many organizations are deploying combinations of these tools that are well suited to facilitate process execution and conformance of defined asset management program standards based on the ISO 55000 standard. The adoption of ISO 55001, ISO 55002, and this international standard enables an organization to achieve its objectives through the effective and efficient management of its asset. One of the benefits of ISO 55000 certification is the ability to show regulators, stakeholders, and customers that the organization maintains its assets in accordance with a stringent level of diligence and quality parameters necessary to achieve and maintain the certification. Adopting an asset management framework based on the ISO 55000 standard demonstrates that the organization has an asset management system to manage performance, risks, reliability, and costs in a very effective and efficient manner. Asset management system is any process a company or organization uses to keep track of the equipment and inventory vital to the day-to-day operation of their business. There are many standards and certifications for asset tracking, including ISO 55001, an asset management system standard to help organizations manage the life cycle of assets more effectively. Implementing the ISO 55001 standard can help companies and organizations obtain control over their daily activities, achieve higher returns with their assets, reduce costs, and mitigate risk. Additionally, establishing the standard raises the bar on performance and effectiveness, and its benefits may be applied to any fixed asset in any organization in any industry. Every asset goes through stages during its life: design, acquire, operate, maintain, and dispose. Each stage plays an equally important role in ensuring you get the most from your assets. Asset lifecycle management is a strategic and analytical approach to the management of a business's assets, a process of optimizing an asset's reliability and operational performance during its lifespan. Introducing IAM, an industrial asset management solution. Designed to help companies increase their profitability by improving the management of corporate assets, increasing employees' productivity, and reducing costs, while ensuring regulatory compliance and achieving proper asset management according to ISO standards. Today, there is a lot of investment in new production capacity from many different manufacturing sectors. At the same time, there are many improvements projects and upgrading happening in existing facilities. To support this situation, we are developing these following capabilities. We have designed and developed IAM as a reliable partner for our customers to achieve their asset management targets and objectives precisely and efficiently. Smart Operation and Maintenance, or Smart O&M, is a solution designed to help companies increase their profitability by improving the management of corporate assets, increasing employees' productivity, and reducing costs, while ensuring regulatory compliance. Smart O&M enables you to do asset register, master data, cataloging, while at the same time analyzing reports on condition monitoring, lubricant management, and managing asset integrity efficiently. Asset information is the fundamental of asset management. Through asset register and master data, a company can easily manage their assets by registering the ID, tag number, details, location, units, working procedures, and even the parts. IAM helps companies to record asset information by performing asset register, master data, and cataloging appropriately. This neatly registered data will later be useful to assist a company in various crucial analyses in asset management. Condition monitoring. IAM provides an integrated condition monitoring, a maintenance approach that predicts machine health and safety through the combination of machine sensor data that measures vibration, temperatures, and other parameters in real time with state-of-the-art machine monitoring software. With condition monitoring, we can analyze any anomalies that occur in a machine or equipment more accurately so that we can prevent machinery and equipment damage or failure. Vibration monitoring is an analytical action of engine vibration on rotating equipment such as pumps, turbines, compressors, generators, and other equipment. Vibration monitoring uses sensors and tools to detect changes in amplitude, frequency, and intensity of forces that damage rotating equipment. Studying vibration measurements allows teams to discover imbalance, looseness, misalignment, or bearing wear in equipment prior to failure. Thermography is a method to observe the pattern of heat and measures the temperature of a body remotely and provides the thermal image of the entire component or machinery. Thermography helps you to estimate components' approximate temperature to determine the severity of an adverse condition. Lubricant analysis is an analytical method to monitor the condition of the equipment by analyzing the lubricant in the machine or equipment. With lubricant analysis, we can determine the contamination that occurs in an equipment or machine, such as contamination of water, particles, or other foreign objects. Lubricant analysis enables us to determine the degradation of lubricants, as well as helps us to detect the level of wear on equipment made of metal. With that, we can do further inspections on the components that are experiencing wear and tear. Non-destructive testing is a method to determine the condition of the equipment by doing some testing without damaging the equipment. This method is carried out with ultrasonic thickness, which is measuring the thickness of an object using ultrasonic vibrations. Asset integrity. As part of asset integrity, RAM analysis is a method used to predict and quantify asset performance with certain configuration from a complex system, with a point of view from reliability, availability, and maintainability. There are several parameters that are considered as key performance indicators within every operation and maintenance activity carried out on equipment, such as availability, reliability, overall equipment effectiveness, failure rate or mean time between failure, and mean time to repair. IAM provides an asset integrity consultancy to help a company manage its key performance indicators correctly and accurately. It consists of several methodologies, including reliability-centered maintenance. RCM is a process that ensures maintenance tasks are performed in an efficient, cost-effective, reliable, and safe manner. It is commonly used for rotating equipment and electricals. Risk-based inspection, RBI, is an optimal maintenance business process used to examine static equipment such as pressure tanks, valves, vessels, doors, heat exchangers, and piping in industrial plants. Failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, is a step-by-step approach for identifying all possible failures in a design, a manufacturing or assembly process, or a product or service. It is a common process analysis tool. Lubrication management. To support lubrication management activity, IAM provides lubricant management solution through various services and methods, including oil filtration, which is designed to remove contamination, such as water, particulate, varnish, and/or entrained gases from a wide variety of fluids, including turbine oil, hydraulic oil, gear oil, and fuel oil. Oil purification, which is removing oil contaminants in order to prolong oil service life. Oil regeneration is an exciting technology for a plant's lubricants. With the right tools, it's possible to clean some lubricants well enough to put them back into service, saving money and time when compared to managing the disposal of old lubricants and the purchase of new ones. IAM, when it's mattered to be reliable and sustainable.